exchange would happen. Focus. Over 3,000 years ago. Goosey, goosey goosey, goosey goochichi. Dad is shouting to me. I am leaving.
In oracle bone inscription, it is written as this typically. It includes of the crest, beak, head, neck, body, tail feathers and feet. All of these are very vivid in details. The whole shape does like chicken, especially like a rooster crowing. In bronze inscription it is often be used as the clan badge, at least from small seal script, in order to show the sound. Another phonetic component is added on the left part, and the semantic component tends to be straight line. Till now the reason of formation almost has lost. As for the simplified form, for the convenience of writing, the left part is replaced with a symbol without meaning. For the convenience of recognizing, the right part is replaced with the common semantic component. Dr. Braun says the original meaning of it is chicken. At present the common meaning is also chicken. The pronunciation must come from the sound of chicken.